Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Career Guide Placement Solution. So today I have come up with another new video, and in this video I will discuss about the Infosys Springboard opportunity that is coming up. Free courses, they are providing free courses, free certification courses, and you all can access to you all can have access to that certification courses and earn after completion of those courses you can earn certificates, and you can showcase that certificates in your LinkedIn as well as in your other social media platforms in order to enhance your skills, and other recruiters also know about your skills. Okay, so I will discuss how you will register to this Springboard of Infosys, and what are the courses that you can have access to. So I will discuss everything in this video today, so don't skip the video, watch till end, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, if you are new to my channel, then join the Telegram link. All the links are in description box. So without much further delay, I will start off with the video. So first I will tell you how you will register yourself. So this is the Springboard page of Infosys. Link I will provide in the description. Go and check out that link. After that you have to click on login. So when you will click on login, this page is going to open. So you have to first create your account here. Okay, so how you will create an account? Either you can put email ID, password if you are already already a candidate of this Infosys Springboard, but if you have not registered yourself, then you have to first sign in or continue with Google. Then you have to choose your mail ID from where you want to have access to these courses. Okay, so after signing in to your particular mail ID, there you will see that Springboard page is going to open, and this is the page. Okay, so there are some terms and conditions, like these are the terms and conditions. Just I agree to the terms and condition and then click on done. After you click on done, there will be some about us, interest. Just skip these videos because here they have told how you will have access to this platform, so skip that video. Now here you can see they have classified all the levels very according to their content. Like first is the beginner. If you want courses regarding beginner level, then beginner, intermediate, expert, so choose accordingly. And there are trending topics courses like basics of Python, time management, Java programming fundamental, introduction to artificial intelligence, introduction to data science, then management system programming fundamentals. So you will have hundreds of courses, not only hundreds, I will say thousands of courses. And all these courses in other platform you will see a high paid courses. These are highly paid courses. You have to pay a handsome amount to have access to these courses and get the certificates, right? But here Infosys is providing completely free of cost. You can have access to any course you want, or if you have any other course in your mind, just search over here. Like if you search here data structures and algorithm. Okay, so if you want to search here data structures and algorithm, just click there, and then see here you will get data structures and algorithm using Java and alternative way. So if you choose this one, okay, so this is a beginner level course, data structures algorithm. So here if you click on that, you will get here that the course format is course level beginner, 45 hours 52 minutes course. Cost is 0, as I have said. Already 1.7k views has been there. Then source is Infosys Wingspan. The modules is 52 modules are there, 90 web modules, 17 quizzes and 1 assessment. So after completion of all these modules, assessment and quizzes, you will get the certificate. Okay, so you can also check the contents over here. There you will see what are the modules. See, this is introduction to data structure, web module, 15 minutes duration. Then array is there, linked list, stack, queue, collection of frameworks and generics, array list, linked list, set interface, hash map, queue interface. So there are many collection like this. Okay, so go through all that quizzes, and then you can solve the quiz answers. If you go through all the videos, then you can solve the quiz, and also the assessment, then you can get certification, like you will get certified, and you can upload that certificate in your LinkedIn profile, because you already know there the recruiters keep a check of the candidates, like who all are doing whatever course and all. So you can upload your certificate right there, and it will always add a plus point and an advantage to your profile. Your profile will get enhanced. Okay, so you can do any course if you want, you can do it. At the same time, you can do multiple courses. There is no hard and fast rule that you have to complete one course, then only you can switch over to the next course. No. And the main thing is, everything is free of cost. And after learning from these courses, you can also get some freelancing job as well, because these courses, these are the trending topics, right? So if you solve these courses, then in many platforms they ask for some people who know about this, some Python or time management, and there you can act as a freelancer as well and earn some money. Okay, so you can do that as well. So this is, see, basics of Python. Python, Java, these are topics which you really need in your which you really need to crack any assessment nowadays, and also in your job interviews and also. You can have access to these courses that are also completely free of cost. These courses are provided by Infosys, so you can understand the level of these courses. They are really good. I have also enrolled myself in various courses, so get yourself enrolled as well and complete the courses. And if you have any further query, you can drop out your comment in the comment section. I will try to reply to your comments. And I hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys really like this video, then like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I will come up with such important updates every other day. So keep subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Bye.